I'm sorry. I have no excuse, but I'm not sorry about what happened.
Stop being so sorry, Jake. You're married? I thought you were one of the good guys.
I'm trying to be.
Such an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know either. I'm a mess, but I'm trying.
I don't even know what that means.
We separated. I quit smoking. I started working more. I stopped. I don't know. I wanted to change.
Awesome.
I fucked up. I felt connected to you.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna say anything.
Thank you. Look, we're trying to patch things up, at least for the kid. It's not easy, but I'm still on the couch.
Oh, because you're on the couch?
No,
that
no.
That means that it's okay to...
You're so strong. And I know this sounds stupid, but I mean it. You know, life's been destroyed, and you're tackling it.
Really?
Erin, I got swept up. Is that so hard to believe? Not to mention you don't have a long list of stupid shit I've done. Your parents don't hate me. You have every right to be pissed. I helped you out at like one of the moments in your life. And then...
You did help me out. You did.
I'm glad. I was fucking honored to be there yesterday.
Thank you. I mean that.
Good.
Good. You better get back to your life. Oh my God, you have dead husband on your shirt.